Welcome to this new episode, and let's get straight to it. Now close your eyes and listen. Why are you going there? Why are you going there? Why are you going there? Now open your eyes. Which one of these questions have you just listened to? What is going there? Why are you doing there? Why are you going there? Now close your eyes again. Why are you going there? Why are you going there? Why are you going there? Now open your eyes. Which one of these is correct? The correct answer is, why are you going there? Please take care when we pronounce why are you fast like a native speaker. We pronounce it this way, warrior, warrior. Now let's take an example of this. Close your eyes and listen. Why are you playing here? Why are you playing here? Why are you playing here? Now open your eyes. Have you listened to this question? Why are you playing here? Yes, you are correct. I think it's easier for you now. Now, let me remind you this video is a part of a course for learning English for beginners. If you like the video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Let's turn to the next example. In the next two examples, we'll have some noise in the background, so you can be trained well on how to listen to words in bad conditions. Now, close your eyes and listen. Please eat less junk food. Please eat less junk food. Please eat less junk food. Now, open your eyes. Which one of these have you listened to? Please eat a lot of junk food. Please eat junk food. Please eat less junk food. Now, close your eyes and listen. Please eat less junk food. Please eat less junk food. Please eat less junk food. Now, open your eyes. Which one is correct? The correct answer is, please eat less junk food. And now let's turn to the next one. Close your eyes and listen. Mom had the good news. Mom had the good news. Mom had the good news. Now, open your eyes. Which one of these have you listened to? Mom had the best news. Mom had the good news. Mom had some goose. Now, close your eyes again. Mom had the good news. Mom had the good news. Mom had the good news. Now, open your eyes. Which one is correct? The correct answer is, Mom had the good news. And finally, thank you for watching this video. This video was a part of a full course for learning English for beginners. If you like the video, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you again for watching. See you soon.